Welcome back, Crammers, to question 25. The diagram shows an isosceles triangle with a base length of 24 centimeters. That means this side is equal to this side. The perimeter of the triangle is given as 54. Work out the area of the triangle. So we know that the perimeter in total is 54. So 54 is equal to 24 as the base plus 2 of these sides. Let's call this x and this x plus 2x. We can then bring this to the other side. So we have 54 minus 24 is equal to 2x. That means 30 is equal to 2x. We can divide by 2 on both sides. And that means x is 15 centimeters. So that means that this side is 15 centimeters and this side is 15 centimeters. We can also see that this triangle is an isosceles, which means if we draw a line straight down here, perfectly in the middle, this creates a right angle triangle. So dividing the base by 2, that means this side is 12 centimeters, this side is 12 centimeters. If we can find what the height is, we can then find out what the area is. So using a square plus b square is equal to c square, we already have hypotenuse, we already have one of the bases, so we can bring this to the other side, and we have a square is equal to c square minus b square, and we can square root this to find what the height is. So that means height is equal to c square, which is 15 square, minus b square, which is 12 square, square root. And now we can use our calculator here to find out what that is, which is 15 square minus 12 square gives us 9. So the height is 9. Now we know that the area of a triangle is simply 1 over 2 times base times height. And now that we know that the base is 24 and that the height is 9, we can simply find this out. So area is 1 over 2 times base, which is 24, times height, which is 9. 24 divided by 2 is simply 12. So we have 1 times 12 times 9, or 12 times 9. And we can use our calculator here. We have 9 times 12 gives us 108 centimeters squared. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.